I literally told you guys clear that gold giving us a bullish move for the day, right? It was very clear. I told you guys clearly that gold will be giving us a bullish move for the day. And guess what gold did? Gold gave us the bullish move that we predicted it to do, right? We said that for the day, we should be expecting gold to give us a bullish move. It should open and close bullish for the day. Gold did that. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you have not yet done that, guys, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share, make sure you comment, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop any single update for you, you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now, let's see what God will also be going to be doing for us for the day. Let's start with our trend also. This is very clear that gold is in an uptrend move. There is a massive movement to the upside. As you can see, a series of higher high and higher low market is playing, right? Now, when you go down to your forward time frame, right, you would also see a series of higher high and higher low. Now, take a look at this moment. Let's start from here for quick analysis. We would want to do quick analysis. So take a look at this. Since it is an uptrend move, right? And in an uptrend move, you would have a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now, this is the high, and here will be seen as the higher low. This will be taken to be the higher low. Then this will be seen as the new higher high, and here is the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now the market has given us an higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high. What should you be expecting as a trader? Definitely an higher low. That is exactly what you should be expecting. So be expecting a minor pullback on gold before it eventually push up one more time. So I would say if you're a swing trader or if you're a position trader, go ahead and take your buy and hold your buy because market will still push up further up. Market will still push further up. But if you are a day trader, you open and close your trade for the day, wait for your pullback, then you can go ahead and take the buy. So above all, GBP USD will be gold will be giving us a bullish move. If there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.